How to start AI side hustles, earn $300 a day. So I will be showing you a few AI tools that can help you earn at least a 300 a day, considered as a start AI side hustles. First and foremost, AI tools aren't just hype, they're leverage. You don't need to be a coder, just follow a simple formula. So all you have to do is pick a service, use AI tools, and get clients. So number one, pick a simple service. So for services, for blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, video scripts, resume writing, the tool you need or AI tool you need is ChatGPT, ChatGPT Canva, ChatGPT, and you can see here income potential like 30 to 100 per article, 100 to 300 package, 5 to 10, 50 to 200 per script, and 50 to 150 for resume. So you need to know how to simply create this using these tools. Let's just say you want to write a blog and you want to use ChatGPT. So just go to ChatGPT and then enter the correct prompt. For example, write a 1,000 word blog for a small business about 5 ways to boost your local SEO. Keep it informative and casual. Now you will see the result right away. And if you're hesitant with your grammar, you can use Grammarly or Quailbot to clean it up. You can also use Canva for branded graphics, done, and deliver it to the client. Another way is that you can get your first client with a free outreach like Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups, Reddit, cold email, or LinkedIn. Now that you have at least one tool to use for a blog, it's about time to talk about the price and sale. So you can start at $50 for a blog post, 100 for a social media package. Deliver it fast using ChatGPT, and once you hit 3 to 4 clients consistently, bundle offers raise prices. So you will see here the possible income per day and per month. Now, let's just say if you want to sell animated videos, you can use ChatGPT to create the prompt and generate an image here. You can also use Leonardo AI. So either of the two, you can generate image. For example, if you see in TikTok, there are tons of AI, cats, dogs, something like that. So all you have to do is go to ChatGPT, generate a picture, or go to Leonardo AI and then add prompt, generate picture, download, go to any AI tools that can convert the picture to video, and then start with the text to speech or add audio or add script. And then you can sell this to Fiverr again, Upwork, or sell this to content creators. So basically, so this is how to start AI side hustles and earn $300 a day. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.